you need a user-friendly online portal to sell replacement parts to your distributors or customers? Stick around, you'll want to see this. But first, like and subscribe to Data Ongoing for more NetSuite content and solutions. Hey NetSuite customers, this is Josh at Data Ongoing and this is Versital, our portal creator that links directly to the NetSuite ERP. In this video, we are showcasing our replacement parts portal. With Versital, your customers will be able to filter by product type and then quickly select the product they need parts for. Schematics diagrams will allow your customers to add parts to their carts with confidence that their selections are exactly what they need. Once finished, they will quickly verify the billing and shipping information brought over from the NetSuite customer record and add any order notes. Hitting Submit creates a sales order in NetSuite awaiting your approval, all in real time. Uplevel your replacement parts sales process and reach out today to try before you buy or for a live demo. For help marketing your machines and parts online, we can do that too. Use the Calendly link in the description.